Hello and welcome to World Literature. This video is going to serve two classes, both the English 271, which is on campus this summer, and then the 272, which is online. Pretty much the same information is in both of these Blackboard course shells, so I'm going to just kind of give an overview of the course, and you'll see that most everything will be the same, and if you have any questions about something that's not shown in this video, you can email me and let me know. The first thing that you're going to notice when you open up your course shell is the policies of the course. Everything in this class, both in online and in person, will be due on Sundays. All of your quizzes and exams and discussions will be taking place through Blackboard. So it's very important that you print out your course calendar and have your assignment checklist to know where and when and what days all of these things are due. In the past, I have set up specific dates during the week for each of these types of assignments to be due. But for the summer, since a lot of you will be traveling and working at the same time that you're taking classes, I have everything due on Sundays so that you have the full 7 days to prepare and get ready for lectures and or any of the assignments that will be due. The first thing I'd like for each of you to do when you open up your course shell is go to the Start Here button. You'll notice that you can watch this video here as well if you need to do that again. The first thing you have is the Start Here information, and this just goes through all the things that you have in the class. You'll be given reading notes and exam study guides. The exams will be timed. However, you can use your textbook and your notes and all of those things to take the exams this semester. So you'll want to have those pre-filled out before you click on any of those things. You'll have online discussions for each of the readings each week, and then you'll have a quiz for each section as well. All of the exams will go over individual weeks. Pretty much every 3 weeks, you'll have an exam, June 16th, July 7th, and July 28th. That will be due on Blackboard. The exams will open up on the Monday of that week, and then you will have 7 days to take the exam. Once you open up the exam, however, the time will start and you will have to finish when you open it up. You cannot save your answers and come back. So please make sure that when you take the exam that you are ready to take the exam and that you can sit for the full 75 minutes or however long is given for you to take the exam. Okay, so it'll be open for the 7 days. However, it is timed. So once you open it up, you have to finish it. You'll also have a research paper due this semester. If you are in the in-class, we will work on this all in person. If you are in the online class, you will have an additional assignment that is to verify your identity. So please make sure that when you open up your Blackboard page that you look for that information, but there will be more on that to come soon. Please note that this is a literature course. That means you have to read these things. The tests are based on you reading these works, not just looking up a summary of them online. So you will have to you read this semester, and I'm going to go ahead and send out the reading list so that you can go ahead and start on that. You do need a textbook. Actually, they come in packs of 3. You get 3 textbooks. So the first textbook will be exam 1, the second textbook will be exam 2, and the third textbook will be exam 3. Again, if you have questions, please email me and let me know. And if I can't answer your question, then I will definitely steer you in the right direction. You will also need to read the plagiarism guide. This is really important as you write your discussions. Your discussions will be run through Turnitin for any kind of plagiarism or AI checker. So make sure that you yourself are writing your discussions. You will also need to take the student agreement quiz for the first week of class, and this is due on the 26th of May. Any student who does not complete the student agreement quiz will be dropped from the class, so make sure that you do that when you open it up. You will read over the course policies again. You will click that you have read it, and then you will include a 100-word discussion to give us an idea of who you are. You can put anything about yourself in this box. It will count the words down here at the bottom, so just make sure that it's 100 words or more. Okay, let's go back. All right. Okay, so make sure you take the student agreement quiz. Here's your link to discussion 1, but you can get to discussions by clicking on the sidebar over here at the modules. You'll see that all of your discussions are already up, and you can go ahead and get to work on those as quickly as possible. You will have to just pick one of the listed and answer in 250 words or more of meaningful context. Also on this sidebar are your exams all listed. Okay, and notice that these are hidden until the week that they're due, so they're not up until that Monday. But you can also find the exams in your course for the week that they are due. So you'll see here that, let's see, I'm sorry. You'll see here that you have a link to the exam 1, and each week you will see that you have a calendar for all of the things that you are responsible for. You will have notes. You'll have a reading and exam study guide that you are supposed to fill out while you're reading all of the things that are listed. And then if you have a quiz for that week, it will be there as well. And also notice that these quizzes are time sensitive. Once you open them, the time begins. You have to take the test when you start. I will not restart tests regardless of your internet connection, etc. Quizzes are not a big part of the class as a whole. So if you miss one, it's fine, but you don't need to miss too many. Quizzes cannot be taken late. They won't be reopened or restarted. Also on this side, you'll see your research paper information. All of that is here, and we'll go over that. There are videos for you to watch specifically on the research paper. Other course resources are here in this tab. You have tutoring services. The syllabus and instructor information has your Turnitin codes, your remind codes, and my office hours. And then you are back to the start here. But mostly you just need to know that each week houses all of the information that you need for that week and what you need to do. Except for the discussions, you will find those in the discussion tab specifically. But other than that, that is it. Please make sure if there are any links posted within the modules that you're watching those, opening those, and looking at those. Each of those things will help you on your quizzes and your tests. If you have any questions, please let me know.